Before you show up for your first class, ask the instructor, hey, is there anything you expect of me? I don't want to cause any issues or disrespect the place in any way, shape, or form. Some places, they allow shoes on the mat. Other places, it is a huge no-no to have shoes on the mat. Etiquette and rules for each place that you go to. What you should normally expect in most martial art programs is a warm-up, a workout, and stretching, and then you go into your techniques. Usually what will happen in most martial art programs is the instructor will explain something to you, explain the technique, show it to you, show it on someone else, then pair you up with a partner, and then you practice it. And in some places, you will go from partner to partner to partner. That way you learn to do the technique on different types of people, sizes, ages. So expect to get a pretty good workout, stretch a little bit, and get hands-on with other people.